How to remove your Gmail account from other device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now you need simply stop on the profile at the work at the top right corner. Then stop on the manage Google icon option. Then you need to go throughout the tabs. Just go to security. Now you scroll down a little bit and you can find the manage all device off from the stop on it. And you can find all the device will upgrade. The logged in with the similar account. If you want to remove that, you need to stop on this and you can just stop on the sign out button into log out this Gmail account from this device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.